Hey everybody, it's Patty from Chatty Patty's Place, and I want to teach you how to make an easy deco mesh wreath. And I'm going to start out with a grapevine wreath that I picked up at my local craft store. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to add these chenille pipe cleaners all around the vine. So I'm probably going to space them out like around 6 inches apart. So once I'm done with that, then I'm ready to go on to my next step. Okay, so now I have my chenille stems all attached to my wreath, and I am ready for my next step, which is going to be attaching the mesh. This is deco mesh. It can be purchased at any craft store. It costs about $6 or $7, and I'm going to start attaching this. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to take the deco mesh, and I'm just going to bunch it up in my hand, and I'm going to attach it to one of the chenille pipe cleaners. And then what I want to do is I'm just going to let it form itself. So I'm just going to take the mesh and I'm going to just bring it up in parts. So I'm just going to take like big bunches like this and attach that and just do it all the way around, and then I'll be back. So as you can see, I'm just taking big bunches of this deco mesh, and it's pretty much forming itself. So I'll just take a bunch, I'll tie it down with the pipe cleaner, take another bunch, tie it down with the pipe cleaner, and to tie it down, all you do is just put the pipe cleaner through and give it a quick twist. So it's very simple to do, and once I have this completely done, I'll come back. Sometimes you want to go around twice, so you just fill in all those little gaps. So I'm going to go around once, see how it looks, and then I'll go around again if I think it needs more. The wreath once, and I feel like it still needs a little bit of bulkiness to it, so I'm going to go around again and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so once you have the wreath at the way that you'd like it to be, like the thickness and all, then you're ready to just cut off the end of the chenille, and then I'll be back with the next step. Ribbon, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take pieces and I'm going to cut them, and I'm going to intertwine them in between where the chenille is and just attach them with the chenille. So that's going to like fill in gaps and add another cute little element to the wreath. So once I'm done doing that, I'll be back. Ribbons to be the same length. So what I'm doing is I'm just folding the ribbon constantly. I just keep folding, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut the ends of each, and I'll be back. I have all of my ribbons cut, and I want them to have a pretty edge. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold it in half like this, and I'm just going to cut it on an angle, so it's going to have like that little V shape. So I'm going to do that to all the ribbons and attach them, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I have all my ribbons securely around the wreath. So now I'm going to get my glue gun and get some little decorations and just glue them on where I think that they would look cute, and then I'll be done. Okay, so I finished adding on my little decorations, and I added some glittery spiders and pumpkins, and that's it. I'm all done, and now I'm just going to attach a ribbon and hang it up. And I have it hanging on my door, and you can see how pretty it is. It's all festive, and I can just adjust all my little pumpkins and things, whatever I want. So it's really simple to make. Only took me about 10 minutes. So if you're interested, visit your local craft store and make your own mesh wreath. And have a great day.